Shri Sai Ram. My humble pranams at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Baba and loving Sai Ram to all of you. What a blissful moment today for me that Bhagwan has given me the opportunity to share my journey with you. I am eternally grateful to Swami. Swami, you are my doer, my friend, my everything. My journey with Sai started in the year 1972 when I was just in the school. Every summer vacations I would visit my Mamaji's house in Kanpur with my parents. It was here that we would experience Swami's miracles. My Mamaji was an ardent devotee of Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. We would experience Swami by his partaking the prasadam kept in the mandir. This was almost a regular feature there. Swami's way of showing his omnipresence. Vibhuti would come on Swami's photo, food, everywhere, on our clothes, everywhere in the house. And he would reply to letters kept in the mandir. All this through, for my tender age, did not make much sense. But with the growing years, things became much clearer, and the attraction and affection to Swami became intense. And day by day, we becoming very close to Swami. Though I never got any interview from Swami physically, I was neither a Palvikas nor an alumni. I was just a Sevadal, and I want to be a Sevadal. Our Prem Avatar Bhagwan took upon a mission to form the Satya Sai Seva organization. He added human qualities to it, guided the sadhaks and nurtured them through seva activities. He himself set an example for all of us to follow. It is indeed a beacon of light for mankind to make their life sublime with seva and sadhana. Seva helps us in removing our ego. हमारा अहंकार खत्म करती है. So when we engage in seva, don't pay heed to what others might say. Why fear when we are doing his seva? किस बात की शर्म? Do with love, do with dedication. We have to leave all aside our differences and take along in doing his work through any type of seva जो कि कभी ली नहीं जाती. किसी से भी खुद आगे बढ़कर हमें सेवा को ग्रहण करना पड़ता है, लेना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो दी नहीं जाती ना कभी भी. Swami once asked students to distribute laddus to devotees. He asked the students, "Do you know why I am giving the opportunity to distribute the laddus?" Students gave different answers. But in the end, Swami said, "When I give you opportunity to do seva, it is for you to win merit. And this gives me opportunity to bless you a millionfold." असंख्य आशीर्वाद देने का मौका मिलता है भगवान को हमें. It is the doer of seva who in turn is benefited more than the receiver. The transformation which one undergoes is a thing to be experienced. This is what I have personally cherished and is very close to my heart. First from an Sevadal at Samiti level. I was a Samiti in charge of a central district in Delhi, then a district coordinator, and then Swami showered his gracious blessings on me, but simultaneously gave me the role to play as a state coordinator of Ladies Wing. It was a tremendous responsibility, but Swami kept guiding me through. I was not ready to accept even the responsibility, but it is a Swami's abundance blessings. मैंने कभी पीछे मुड़कर ही नहीं देखा. वो दिन और आज का दिन. Swami's blessings on me, Swami's hands on me, and everybody's love with me that we are doing the work और स्वामी अपना काम करवाते ही जा रहे हैं. For me, every activity undertaken is a step closer to Swami. I always believe in neki kar darya mein dal. The result is in his Swami's hands, not in your hands. You do your work. And seva, as I earlier said, seva is never given. It has to be taken. तो जब कभी सेवा मिले, don't leave it. Do it with full dedication and love. Swami keeps reminding us, always love all, serve all, help ever, hurt never. So we all are the blessed and the chosen one by Swami, full of energy, handpicked by Swami. Swami himself chosen us. Whenever we do seva, it is our one-to-one connection with Swami. Swami on a number of occasions have said, you cannot control your monkey mind. We are as a human being, we have a monkey mind, but you can divert your monkey mind through engaging in seva activities. And this pandemic has shown all that seva is the need of the hour. During second wave of pandemic, our organization started home cooked food seva from ladies. Day one, I got a call from our state president, and there was only one beneficiary to give him food. That was the COVID affected family. And we approached our science sister. It was the beginning. After almost 2.5 months or 2 months, around 250 science chefs, science ladies across Delhi NCR who came forward, and they all were just a phone call away. And we served more than 15,000 meals across Delhi NCR. Almost we have not served, Swami served. Swami has given us the chance to serve. And can you imagine this? A call is coming, and within less than 5 minutes, it took me only 4 minutes to call a lady or a science sister. Are you ready for the food? And after 5 minutes, it was fulfilled. It was planned that how the food delivered through a context lens delivery. Everything was planned. All the 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. It was all Swami's grace. We could do it. Otherwise, it was not possible without Swami's blessings. We always look for the Swami activities. कि कब कौन सा मौका मिलता है, हम कभी पीछे नहीं हटना चाहते. At this moment I want to say, रहमतों की कमी नहीं मालिक के खजाने में, झांकना खुद की झोली में है कि कहीं कोई झुराग तो नहीं. Keep on reconnecting with Swami. Bhagwan has given this beautiful life to serve to others. This quote is very, very close to my heart, and I would like to share some of my experiences with you, though not many, but yet memorable to me, how Swami comes forward for help. This incident happened when my both children were in the school and we had gone to my parents' house in Ghaziabad on the occasion of Karwa Chauth. After the evening puja, we were anxiously waiting for the moon to come out. चांद देखने के बाद हम खाना खाएंगे and we all will have a nice dinner and then we'll come back. After the hide and seek of the moon, we all had dinner and were preparing for returning back to Delhi. It was past midnight. My husband was driving the car and the elder son was sitting in front of the car with him, and my younger son was giving me company at the back. As we reached near Vijayanagar, a heavy truck roller laden with thick iron rods hit our car from the side. And the next moment, our car turned and the side door from my husband's side got stuck to the front of the truck. And we were dragged for more than 500 meters. The driver, all this while, did not stop the truck. When he became aware of the accident, he jumped out of the truck. Jumped out of the moving truck, which had by now slowed down. When the truck came to a halt, our car got dislodged from the truck and went rolling over good 50 feet around. We all thought that this was the end of our life and nobody can save from this accident and nobody would save. This was our thought. We settled in our mind that it is the end. We started calling out to Swami to save us. After the rolling over, the car came to standstill to it on its wheels. By now, some passerby came and opened the door from one side. One side, the driver's side, was completely smashed. To the utter surprise of all, none of us got a single scratch. Though we were completely shaken, we thanked Swami profusely for saving us. We were seeing death walking into our faces. But Swami has his own plans. Thank you, Swami, for your utmost grace which you showered on us, on our family. It is always in my mind. During 2010, in March, my mother passed away. And it was Swami's visit to Delhi in 2010, April 2010, yes. Swami came and he stayed at Sri Sathya Sai International Center, Lodi Road. As I got a opportunity to serve in the kitchen, the basement hall turned into a kitchen and my duty was there along with some other Seva Dal. And Swami was staying on the same building at the third floor that turned into a residence. As a protocol, our duty was in the kitchen. We were not supposed to come out from the kitchen for any darshan type. But again I said we have a monkey mind. हम चोरी छिपे बड़ी कोशिश करते थे स्वामी को कहीं ना कहीं से देख लें, एक झलक ही उनकी मिल जाए, लेकिन वो एक तृप्ति नहीं होती थी अंदर से. हमें पूरे स्वामी के दर्शन चाहिए थे, फिजिकल फॉर्म में हम देखना चाहते थे. लेकिन स्वामी नहीं आए. 3 दिन हो गए, 4 दिन हो गए. Early morning, professor came into the basement hall for a cup of tea and we approached him and we literally cried कि एक ही छत के नीचे रह के स्वामी और हम एक दूसरे को देख नहीं पा रहे और दर्शन नहीं कर पा रहे, या ये कहो कि उस टाइम स्वामी की इच्छा ही नहीं थी, या स्वामी की उस टाइम स्वामी ने वो टाइम ही नहीं हमारे लिए चुना था. Whatever. Then he told us कि have you ever provoked to Swami to come here? Have you invited him? We said no. When you have not invited Swami for the basement, then how he can come? Then he had a cup of tea, he moved. Then whatever the available paper was there in the basement hall, we make a beautiful card signed by all the Sevadals and we invited Swami. And whosoever was going, we sent a card through him to Swami कि please pass it to the Swami's room. They have given. Next day morning, it was 7:45. Swami is coming within 15 minutes. Oh my God, what was the moment that? हड़बड़ में इधर से उधर हम अपना फटाफट तैयारियां करनी शुरू कर दी कि स्वामी इज कमिंग. बट इट वाज ओनली 15 मिनट्स. जितना कर सकते थे हमने किया. And Swami came down and we got a full darshan. Swami came to us, blessed us, accepted our flowers, and he spent almost around 45 minutes or so with us. And we were so तृप्त. और वो तृप्ति का एहसास हमें आज तक है. Swami is having his own plans. Recently, we went medical camps in Srinagar Valley. There were 2 medical camps. Went off very well. We got Swami's blessing. Swami's presence was there for 2 days, and one day medical camp was, we were going for the medical camps through Shikara. Road was not very comfortable, so we went through Shikara. Going was very comfortable, it was fun filled. We were going. While coming back through Shikara, all of a sudden we felt that water level is here with the speed and the गहराई भी पानी की बहुत ज़्यादा थी और हमारी मोटर बोट में पानी आ गया. The moment is realized कि हमारी मोटर बोट में पानी आया, we were very cool. Then शिकारा वाला cried कि नहीं नहीं अरे तो पानी आ गया तो बहुत जल्दी है. Immediately he called 2 rescue boats from Shikaras from both the sides, left and right. 2 persons shifted from left side, and he told me कि मैडम प्लीज आप शिफ्ट होइए. And I was not able कि मैं mid of the lake, how can I shift from one Shikara to another? We are not used to that. But Swami took a minute or a second to shift me to that Shikara. All were safe, and we came to the end of this Nagin lake. Then Shikara wala told us कि मैडम इतनी टाइम में इतनी, this is the first experience कि हमारे शिकारा में पानी आया, आज तक कभी शिकारा में पानी नहीं आया. तो स्वामी saved us. अनहोनी होने को कुछ भी हो सकता था, but स्वामी saved us. It is Swami's wish, Swami's grace. 2-3 days back, किस से सेवा स्वामी ने कैसे लेनी है और कहाँ पहुँचाना है और कैसे किसको स्वामी ने कहाँ दर्शन देने हैं, all are his plan. Everything has been planned. Nothing is in our hand. One of my science sister approached me that her family friend or relative, I don't know, who is in Bahrain, he is Dr. Mahesh, and he was doctor in Apollo Hospital in Delhi for 9 years. Now he is in Bahrain and he got a brain tumor. And she wanted to send a vibhuti for him. She approached me and she sent me a message कि Poonam Didi, please do something. I thought it's a 0.001% chances of sending a vibhuti to Bahrain. Because I was not aware that there is any Samiti or any Sai devotee. There could be any Sai devotee at Bahrain. I was not aware. But तभी भी उसके बावजूद भी then I realized कि नहीं, स्वामी कुछ तो करेंगे. Then I posted this message in our All India Ladies group. One of our state coordinator of other state, she sent a message in the group that I want his address and the phone number. I have not seen that message for 2 hours. Then she called me. Please send a message and address and the full details of that patient. Immediately I sent to her, and she told me that one of our sisters' son is there. Later in the evening, I got a message from our state coordinator that her sister's son will take a vibhuti and personally he will go to Dr. Mahesh Hospital where he is admitted and he will deliver the vibhuti. Yesterday evening, Dr. Mahesh got the vibhuti. I don't know ये सब कैसे हुआ. I thanks to Swami. Swami is a doer. Otherwise, you can't reach from one place to another place in Delhi nearby. That is Swami's wish. And it was my science sister's prayers that he got a brain stroke and she wants to apply this vibhuti on his forehead. Now we are praying to Swami, prayers to Swami for the speedy recovery. Rest is in Swami's hands. I don't know what will happen, but Swami, we will try our best. Always Swami said, be a good human being. काम करो ऐसा कि पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम चलो ऐसा कि निशान बन जाए। यहाँ जिंदगी तो सब काट लेते हैं, जिंदगी जियो ऐसी की मिसाल बन जाए। बी अ रोल मॉडल फॉर एवरीवन। किस कदर शुक्रिया अदा करूं स्वामी, अल्फाज नहीं मिलते। जिंदगी इतनी खूबसूरत नहीं होती भगवान अगर आपका मुझे साथ। I am indebted and eternally grateful to Swami for providing me such a beautiful opportunity. Thanking you all. Jai Sai Ram.